name is Andy Bühler. This is the drum code, triplets and quarter notes. Today we mix up triplets and quarter notes. It's a real easy system. You have 4 spots, so it could be every spot is 1 quarter note, 4 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, played on the toms. So right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand on the floor tom, left hand on the high tom. So it's these are 4 white spots. White, 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 white. Really easy. So if you have a black spot, you play triplets on the snare drum. That means at the same time you play one hit on the tom tom, you play 3 on the snare drum. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's Panama, 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 Panama. So either you play pa, 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 Panama, 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 Panama. It's like this. You have the 1, 2, 3, 4 with the quarter notes for the white spots. So if you have the black spot, you play the triplets here on the snare drum. The triplets start with the exact same hand like the quarter notes. So if a triplet starts on the first spot, you start with the right hand. If you have a triplet on the second spot, you start with the left hand. So for example, you have black, white, it's right, left, left. The black means you start with the right, sure, but you play triplets. And the white means you play left, you play a quarter note. So triplet, quarter note, triplet, quarter note, black, white, black, white. For example, the first line of the 16 combinations. It's black, white, 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 black, white, white, white. Panama, pa, 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 Panama, pa, pa, pa. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Black, white, white, white. So number 2, white is the tom on the 1. So on the second spot is black, so you start with left, triplets. All right. So your feet need to play something, they are bored. Just play the walking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the sound of the hi-hat, I really like to have a hi-hat to have not a splash sound, not like this, but a bit more than this little tip tip. So instead of playing the fit on the top of the pedal, I move back. The sound gets a lot thicker. Okay, going to show you the first 5 lines of the 16 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. right. Your tempo. If you want to play it fast, go ahead. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So go to the mix it up section, play it all through. You will see, you get used to the triplets and all that stuff. Start at an easy tempo. Try to make it sound good. Try to make yourself feel good. When you go to the 3-spot section, we are in a 3/4 bar now. So we need to have another pattern in the feet. We need to play the waltz, for example. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and now the concept is again the same, but you know, as you have only 3 spots, the sticking changes in the second spot, in the second round, the second group. So you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That goes for the quarter notes and for the triplets for sure. So I'm gonna show you the first 4 numbers of the 8 combinations in the 3-spot section. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, as well, go to the mix it up and then start at the end an improvisation. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna play it a bit faster now. Play it in 4 triplets and quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.